Hello, welcome to Richard's Astronomy Spot. This is a YouTube channel that focuses on astronomy for the beginners. That means we're going to be looking at the rudimentary, the basics, all the foundational things that you need to build this hobby upon. Now we're going to be considering hardware, of course. But most importantly, we're going to be focusing, that's supposed to be a pun, focusing on the objects in the sky. Now perhaps you just bought a new telescope, or you received a new telescope over the holidays, and you looked at the moon, and yeah, you appreciate that, but you're just not sure about other things. You're looking at Jupiter, and it's like, well, I wish I knew more about this. Well, we're going to be talking about the moon, the planets, some of the star clusters that are prominent right now, like the Pleiades. We're going to talk about the Orion Nebula. It's something that's relatively easy to spot in the sky. And if you learn a few things about these objects, you'll appreciate them better, and you'll look at them in a new light. So, as far as equipment, this YouTube channel focuses on beginner equipment. There's going to be no fancy telescopes here. It's what you're likely to have received as a gift over the holidays. Telescopes like this refractor and those similar. We're going to be talking about astronomy with binoculars. Now, you can buy astronomical binoculars for an astronomical price. But we're going to be talking about astronomy with the binoculars that you may already have at home. So we'll be looking at that extensively. And we'll also be looking at a class of telescopes, such as this one, this Celestron C90, which is particularly good for looking at planets. So this is a telescope that is not expensive to buy. It's again relatively cheap. If you're thinking about a telescope and your main interest is in the planets, you might want to take a look at this guy. It's a reflecting telescope. After we've talked about it and you know the advantages, this might be what you're wanting to get if you're shopping. But if you already have something, whatever you have, use it. Any telescope could be a good telescope. We'll be talking about telescope support, mounts, and tripods. We're going to look at the whole world of scopes. And we will particularly talk about the pitfalls and problems that you can run into with beginner telescopes. Because one of the complaints that's commonly heard is that I can't see anything with this scope. Well, we'll be talking about that and remedies to fix that problem. So in the end, you may watch this and I may give you some ideas to buy equipment. Well, yeah, that's okay. You want to upgrade from what you've received. That's fine. Well, I'm likely to get you stimulated to buy a few things. But it's going to all be relatively inexpensive things. Better eyepieces than what you may already have. Again, a better support for the telescope you already have. Or it may be, I'll influence you to buy a better telescope. Well, there's a lot to cover in Richard's Astronomy Spot, so I hope you come back and stick around and look for more. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So have a good day, and especially if it's clear out tonight, go outside and look up. Enjoy the night sky. See you soon.